Hey there y'all, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is JT, and in today's video y'all, we're gonna be doing another small little upgrade to my truck Luna. If you guys have been following me along from the beginning since I got my truck, you guys know that I've been doing little mods every once in a while when I can afford them, especially. So today I finally was able to afford this mod, well, this upgrade, whatever you want to call it, mod or upgrade, same thing. Well, actually it's not the same thing, but still, whatever you want to call it, this little upgrade, let's call it upgrade. Oh, fudge. You guys are gonna hear me say upgrade, and you guys are gonna hear me say mod. Just know that it's the same thing. I'm talking about the same thing, okay? So this little upgrade that I'm gonna be doing is gonna be part of the tailgate, and honestly, it's gonna look super nice, super clean. And also, just a quick little thank you, by the way, y'all. I finally hit 300 subscribers. Honestly, in less than a year, I hit 300 subs. But yeah, without any further ado though, let's go ahead and start this new upgrade because I'm really excited and my hand is getting tired of carrying this stupid camera. And also, it's getting windy and it's getting cold. Alright y'all, so here we have the box with the upgrade. Go ahead and open it up. I'm not doing that whole freaking like ASMR thing no more because I'm outside and it's cold. So let's just open it up. Oh my gosh, let's go. Let's go. Those freaking popper things. Another box. Oh crap. There's something else in there? Oh, there's nothing else in there. It's just another box. So now we got the other box and oh, we don't need no more box opener. This is what I got. It's a light. It's a freaking LED strip, alright? Now you guys know what it is. But now you guys haven't seen how it works, but I'm gonna show it to you guys. This is how it is. Oh crap. Alright, so the tailgate, basically I'm gonna install it at the bottom of the tailgate. Like close to the bumper, kind of. And if you guys can see that right there, zoom in. Come on, focus here. So it's gonna go along the tailgate and middle of the bumper right there. And basically, throughout when I'm driving, it's gonna look like that. It is regular. It's gonna look like this, like when I'm driving. Okay. Then when it turn signals to the left, it's gonna, you know, the left signal is gonna pop up, and then the right signal is gonna pop up, and then brakes and all that stuff. So it's gonna be a little cool addition to the tailgate, especially it's gonna add more lighting to the back. So basically it's gonna go right here all along. So let's go ahead and measure this. Hopefully it's the right size. If it's not, then I'm just gonna send it back. Okay. Oh, heck yeah. Okay, it fits perfectly. Perfect, it fits, okay. Okay, Facha, you know something? I go by a saying that goes like this. You gotta try something out, if it doesn't work, do it again. So let's try it out and see if it works. Okay, so first things first, clean and dry the surface area. Boom, it's clean. I washed my truck yesterday, by the way. No joke, this thing was so dirty, it took me an hour or 2 hours to clean it completely. And it still looks dirty, somehow. So, don't tell me that I didn't clean it properly, because I did. Oh man, okay, let's go. Crap, I don't know if I should bend it. Should I bend it? Like, I'm just bending it. I don't know if it's good to bend it or not. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, but so right there. Remove the little peel, the red thingy majigger, so you can, so there's all the sticky side, and then, bro, this honestly, this smells like crap. Holy cow! Okay, boom, I got it. Bro, I don't even know if it looks like, I can't tell though. Oh my gosh. Okay, one way we can find out if it's gonna hit is by opening the tailgate. You know, might as well. Here goes nothing. Oh, it worked. It doesn't hit anything. Now that I got it set here perfectly fine, I'm pretty sure this is gonna damage my paint. So it's gonna be a permanent thing. So, you know, what can we do? Okay, where's the instructions? Electrical hookup. Plug and play the standard flat 4-pin connectors. Connect the reverse wire to the reverse light wire on the vehicle. Bro, I honestly don't know what the hell I'm to be doing here. Alright, I'm gonna have to play with this for a while. figure this out. So according to this, there's like there's 4 different wires. Now, I'm no electrician, but I'm pretty sure never to touch the red, or never to mess with the red wire. You always have to leave the red wire, or the black wire. I don't know. I think the black wire or the red wire, one of them is ground. But there's no black wire, so it has to be the red one. Honestly, I don't know what the fudge I'm saying. What is this? Alright, y'all. So I was going through the whole instructions, detail by detail, and then I looked up online a couple of videos, because honestly, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. So the instructions say to, you know, mess around with this stuff and all that. And then, by the way, I found the ground key, or I found the whole diagram for the freaking connection. So you guys can see right here, it tells you the connection thing, all the wires, what they are. So the red one is actually for the reverse light, not the ground. So, you know, I was wrong, I admit. And then the little thing, the connector, has all the ground, running, left turn, right turn, etc. All that stuff. Also, I found out that apparently you have to put the light bar inside, like you have to remove the tailgate. However, I tried it already. It doesn't even look that good. You can't even tell there's a light bar under there, and I'm pretty sure if you turn it on, it's gonna look like not that bright. Let's remove this tailgate light. We're gonna remove this. So we got 2 bolts, one on top, one at the bottom here. We're gonna remove both of them. Of course, yes, I already have them loosened up for me, but let's go keep doing this. Let's remove this. So that's 2. And then, boom, got it. Alright, so let's go ahead and start doing the electrical part. I figured it out. So this one, the middle one, it's gonna be the reverse light, and these 2 are the signal lights, and also what's it called, just the regular parking lights. So let's go ahead and try this out. So we're gonna take that reverse light, which is this red one right here, and we're gonna connect it to the middle part, this part right here, this middle one, the middle light right there, and see how it goes. I'm pretty nervous, not gonna lie. When it comes to light work, I'm not a big fan of, because honestly, I feel like I'm gonna mess something up. Oh, crap. Bro, what? Okay, so... Dude, how am I fucking doing this? Holy cow. Okay. So this is this exactly. Dude, I am pretty nervous right now. I'm not sure like what I'm doing. I'm scared. If you made it this far into the video, you're probably wondering what's going on. And also by the title of the video, if you're thinking about it, you probably know what's going on already. So I just want to say, guys, this is one of the biggest failures that I've faced so far while doing upgrades to my truck. I've never felt so unprepared in my life like I did today. And I know you might be wondering, why would I post a failure of a video? Well, the only reason I posted this video is so that you guys can see that, you know, not every day is a good day. This day was a shitty day, I guess. And, you know, I wasn't able to do the thing that I wanted to do. So I guess, you know, I just want you guys to see that side of life. Sometimes we just don't get what we want. However, that doesn't mean we should give up. You know, I want you guys to keep that in mind. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we're going to keep trying until something works. We're going to make it work. So I'm going to stop, give myself a break, and I'm not going to do anything to my upgrade. I'm going to leave it there on my truck. It's still going to be stuck on there. However, I'm going to do my research, get my tools, and then when the right time, the right weather hits, I'm going to start doing it again. And trust me, guys, I will do another video of me finishing that upgrade. I'm not giving up yet. But yeah, I hope you guys understand where we're coming from. People like me who do their own upgrades, that it's a tough place. You know, it's a tough thing that happens, seeing that you can't do something because, you know, you're not prepared or this and that. It kind of hurts. However, we'll make it happen. Just be patient and we'll do it. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. You know, not every day is perfect. I hope to see you guys next time. Peace out.